Hey friends, in this video we're going to talk about sandwich rule. But before knowing about this rule, let's solve a problem of limit. So we have this problem to solve, that is limit x tends to 0 x square sine of 1 by x. So by seeing that we can find that मुझे पता है कि इसको कौन सा चीज से सॉल्व करना होगा, लिमिट x tends to 0 fx into g of x के फॉर्म से सॉल्व करना होगा. So let's solve it. So the thing will be limit x tends to 0 x square into limit x tends to 0 sine of 1 by x. But from here we can see that limit x tends to 0 sine of 1 by x, this limit does not exist. यहाँ पे हमारा ये लिमिट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है. दिस डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट because if we put 1 by 0 sine infinity and that actually does not exist. This limit does not exist. So मुझे इस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए या हमें इस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए सैंडविच रूल का इस्तेमाल करना होगा या सैंडविच रूल को यूज करना होगा. सो लेट्स गो बैक टू नो व्हाट इज सैंडविच रूल. सो सैंडविच रूल यहाँ पे क्या होता है, एक फंक्शन, जैसे हम लोग वहां देखें एक फंक्शन रहेगा, लेट्स से इन दिस केस दैट फंक्शन इज g of x, दैट इज g. ये फंक्शन हम लोग मान लेते हैं यहाँ पर ऐसा फंक्शन है जिसका मेरे को लिमिट पता नहीं है, दैट इज डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. द लिमिट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, विल टेक टू मोर फंक्शंस, दैट इज f and h in this case, and make sure that this two function limiting value at certain point is known, that is f of x and h of x at certain point, let's say a. You can see over here at we can see that limiting value f of x tends to a and limiting value h of x tends to a, the limiting value exists and both are same. The most important part is both are same in this. So we can say that the limiting value g of x will also be same, as because there is a condition. यहाँ पर आप देख पा रहे f of x is less than equals to g of x is less than equals to h of x. So if this function exists, then obviously we can say that limiting value x tends to a, g of x is equals to L, because f of L because both the limiting values that is known is also equals to L. To make it more clear, let's see this graph. In this the bottom one is y equals to f of x, the middle one is y equal to g of x, and the top one is y is equals to h of x. So as we know that both the limiting value limit x fx and h of x, both the values has same value. Limit at x tends to a is some real number. उस पॉइंट के लिए सबका वैल्यू, दोनों का वैल्यू सेम है. तो ऑब्वियसली ये पॉइंट आप यहाँ पर देख पा रहे होंगे, इस पॉइंट में ऑब्वियसली अगर h of x f of x सेम होगा तो g of x को भी सेम होना ही पड़ेगा, that it must be same. So by using this property we will solve the problem of the functions which does not exist, that we have seen quite early, quite before. So let's go to the problem and solve that problem. So यहाँ पर क्या है, limit x tends to 0 fx into g of x. Now मेरे को यहाँ पर sin 1 by x tends to 0 का यहाँ पर exist नहीं करता. So what we can do is we can take this sin 1 by x, and we know that sin falls in the range of greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to minus 1. Sin falls in the range of greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to 1. So we can, as we know that a function is x square into sin 1 by x, so we will multiply x square both the sides, in both the sides. So x square sin 1 by x into less than equals to minus x square. So in this, x square is f, this one is g, that we have to going to find, and this one is h. Now we'll put the limiting value, that is limit x tends to 0 x square less than equals to limit x tends to 0 x square sine 1 by x, and that is less than equals to limiting value of x tends to 0 minus x square. Now we know that limiting value of x tends to 0 x square is 0, less than equals to this we have to find, so we cannot change this one, sine 1 by x, and all this this limit x tends to minus x square x tends to 0 is also equals to 0. So now f of x and h of x both are same, so we can say that the function that we are going to find, that is g, is also equals to 0 because both f and h are 0. By using sandwich rule, we can say this one. Hence the limiting value of x square sine 1 by x is 0. Even if it does not exist, that is sine 1 by x does not exist, we can find the value by comparing it with two other functions of which the limiting value we know from beforehand. So I think it is clear. I hope that ये चीज आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि कैसे करके हम लोग सैंडविच थ्योरम को यूज करते हुए कोई ऐसे फंक्शन का लिमिटिंग वैल्यू निकालते हैं जिसका जो एक्चुअली एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है. Now if you can understand this concept, you can solve this problem. Now यहाँ पर एक मैं प्रॉब्लम लिया हूँ. If log x base e is greater than 0 and less than equals to root x for all x greater than 1, then find the value of this limiting value, that is limit x tends to infinity and log x base e by x. So I hope ये आप कर पाएंगे, और अगर आप ये कर पा रहे हैं तो कमेंट करके बताइए कि इसका आंसर कितना होगा या लिमिटिंग वैल्यू कितना होगा. अगर आपको डाउट हो तो वो भी कमेंट कीजिए. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.